Ali. Hi, Kuyas. What are you doing there, Ali? Wanna go down na? Go down na. Okay. Go to Papa. Wanna go to Papa? Papa sinda kambingan.
What?
Yeah. Go to Papa kayo? Okay, Papa's there. No, Papa's there, not there. Other side. Dog, okay. Come daw. Hold daw, kuya. She wants to hold. You like the chicken? No. No? There. Go inside na. Papa's there. Remember we were there kanina? Call out on Papa.
Papa.
Call Papa, B. Papa, call. Open it. That's openable.
Can she walk here?
Yeah. Just hold her so she's not gonna fall. Papa's there. Go inside, B. Ah, you're gonna want to close. Sige, B.
Holding the door.
Okay. Janan! Papa, you're still here. Kuya's there. Kuya, Ali's looking for you.
Sally.
Go there.
Goat. Where's the goat?
Goat.
Tala.
Kalat? Ano kalat? Very many goats. They're eating. They're still eating. Where are you going, Ali?
Ali.
Say bye-bye na. Say bye-bye, Papa.
Wait, say she can. Say bye-bye, Papa. Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Papa.
Eh,
Pa.
paano ka mag-vegetarian? Hindi ka marunong kumawa ng kambing.
Wait.
Yeah, Mommy has a lot of kambing here. Ask Papa where my kambings are.
Yeah.
They're in the bundok. They transferred the location.
Goat. Oh. Careful.
B, baka madapa. Touch goat. Gusto niya hawakan, B. Yung maliit lang pawak mo. Doon. Yeah, hawakan mo na.
Oh. That's the goat. That's the goat.
Ay, ang bilis maglakad. Pahawak mo yung iba yan, oh. Yung Mommy. Para mabagal. Ayan, yung kumakain, B. Pahawak mo na. Ay, yung bagal ni Ali. Ito, yung kumakain. Para hindi gumagalaw.
Yung kambing ni Kwan. Isa.
Kambing mo sa?
Ano sayon?
Ano yung kambing ni Zion dyan? She's touching? You like to touch the goats? Goats. Okay. Touch the goats. You like? Mahirapan siya habulin. Mabilis gumalay maliliit. Oh, gusto niya pa. Sige, mapapawa ka mo lang. Ganda nito, ang taba. Ito itong maliit na to. Oh, cute. Tabi-tabi po. Oh, very good. You know how to tabi-tabi po, ha? Why? Because the goat is peeing. Funniness. Okay, so look. That's ACI. You see? Very nice. Just beside our land. Bully na niya yan. Nilalayuan siya na maliliit. Natatakot.
Ouch! That's not ouch!
Ouch? What do you mean, ouch?
Ouch!
You're not hurt, V. Touch pa din? O sige, lapit mo. Lapit mo si Ali. Tingnan natin kung mawawakan niya. Di masyado umaalis. Kumakain eh. Eat. It's eating. Si bye-bye na. Bye. Bye-bye. Oh, ito na sila. Yung dami. Paubos na kayong pagkain. Yung dami niya kanina. It's not a dog. Goat. They're so cute, no? Touch. Binabother niya sila lahat, no? Baka madapabi, ah. Wag mo siya pababain. He wants to be there. Look at them. They're so big. This one's peeing. Oh, ano na? Let's go na, B. Let's go back na. Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye. What? Is she saying goodbye to you, Ace? Yeah. Say bye, goat. Oh, Papa said, let's go na. Touch, touch. Parang ka nagpipray over eh. Hawakan mo, B. Ano yan dyan? Touching. Ouchie. Are you sure it's ouchie? It's not even ouchie. Okay, say bye-bye na. Come on na, let's go. Touch pa din. Yun. That's not a dog, it's a goat. This one's the cute one, no? The fatsy one. I like that. I like that little one.
Yeah, so cute.
No, dirty. Let's go na. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ali.
Oh, that's a good.
No. Oh, they like you. Oh. Kinakagat ka.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, ayan na. Nadapa na. Tabi-tabi po. Say. Ito, yung ganda nyo, oh. Oh. Very, very nice sila. Yeah, I'm gonna change her entire outfit. Tigdating sa bahay. Liguan ko na yan ulit. Oh, papa na. Gusto papa na. Let's go na, oh. Sabi ni Papa, let's go.
Bye.
Okay.
Isasara natin ang gate. Baka limas ang kambing.
Ah. Sara. Sara daw. Meron sa ilalim din. Hala ko sa taas lang. Lumulos sa tumalilit. Ah. How's your,
Ay, nakalabas.
farm tour? Ay, ay nakalabas na isa. Ah, one went out.
Ano ha?
Bugawin. Sige nga. Sige. Paano daw bugawin? Sabihin mo, go. Touch ka na naman dyan, Ali.
Gawin mo yan.
Hala. Hala pa, nandyan kay. Hala, lagot. Robing, bugawin mo nga, Ari. Papasok doon, kinakain ng saging. Ayun, ayun. Pasok, pasok. Ay, natatakot kay Papa. Ali. Hayaan mo lang daw bukas pa. Ali. No, 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 no. Okay.
Oh, hindi po ba? Wait. Papasok na rin. Hindi po pasok yan. Hindi yan kaay.
Alis ka na daw dyan pa. Papasok na daw to. Ay, ping. Naka sumara. Buksan mo muna. Marunong magbukas. Aba, aral pala eh. Hindi. Ay, siya lalong lumayo, Rupeng. Yeah, kinain ng mga tanim. Yeah, lalong lumayo. Ayun, pumasok na. What? Okay. Nakapasok na. Ayos na, ayos. Ayos, ayos. Okay. Okay.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, goat.
Bye-bye, goat. Say bye-bye, goat, Ali.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, goat. Bye-bye, goat.
Oh, let's go na. Let's go there na. Let's go na, oh. Don't go to the chicken, ha? Ako mapalo ka.
Mamasyal tayo sa Ilaya ngayon, ha? What? Para mamasyal tayo. Makita mo kayo ng tao.
Okay.
Roaster. Ayaw mo sabi chicken.
Chicken. Chicken naman talaga yan.
Wala Laging chicken.
Chicken. What is it? Chicken.
Alaya doon.
What? Saan?
Doon kay Malia.
Ha? Hala ka, madapa yan. Oh, ay, nako, B, kalsada na yan. Ay, nadapa ka na naman. Tabi-tabi po. Papa daw. Nadapa siya. Ala, nagkadumi na yung ano niya. Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye, Ebenes. Bye. Bye, Ebenes. Bye, Ali. Bye, Papa.
At least alam mo ng barangay.